Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm still stuck in quarantine, as most of you guys are, so I thought I'd make a quick video on current modifications to the DR and future modifications. And we'll just calculate how much it's actually going to cost and how much I've spent so far. It's probably going to scare me a little bit. It'll probably scare some other people, Americans, Canadians, or whatever, because things in New Zealand are quite expensive, especially when it comes to shipping, because most stuff comes from overseas. So anyways, let's get into it. We'll start with the windshield. The windshield is a Screens for Bikes windshield from Australia. I'll put up the prices and stuff on the screen and then we'll add it up after. But Screens for Bikes, that's the windscreen that I have. Really like it. Barkbuster VPS, I think they're Australian as well. Love them. These are ones that you can actually adjust here. You've got the, if you can see it, there's a couple of screws you can undo, lift it up. I've got them on the highest setting at the moment. I find that to be the best. What else have we got up here? We've got the ram mount, quick grip. I find this one better than the other one because it just seems a lot safer. Renthal RC high bends. They're good because you don't actually need any bar risers. If you get bar risers, it actually pulls your handlebars backwards. So I find if you get high bars and skip the risers, you can actually sit the bars up higher, straighter, if you know what I mean. So you've got a bit more space. What have we got next? I've got DIY fender brace, so that was free at most a couple of dollars. Also got the DIY headlight shield you guys have already seen. That was also free. Just try not to miss anything. What else? I've done small things, which is obviously free, but I've taken the brackets off here and I've put them on the actual fender just to get rid of the clunky metal things. Alright, B&B bash plate, also Australian. I've actually got quite a lot of Australian stuff in here, I've just realised. But that's not too cheap. Of course I'll put the price up there. And on the B&B subject, I've got the case savers and the frame guards. And I'll also be getting the B&B rack and the B&B luggage plate. So I've got heaps of surface area on the back. To go with the racks, I will be getting some dirtracks. That's the brand, I think they're Canadian. And they'll be good for my Wolfman luggage, my Wolfman Expedition luggage. I will put the prices of these up too. I think the Expedition. And then I've got the small duffel bag, the fender bag for the tools, and then of course the tank bag. So I'll add that into the price. What else? That's right, I've got the Seat Concept seat I'm thinking of getting, probably the standard height, or I'll be getting the Sergeant seat. The Seat Concept is a little bit cheaper. We'll see what happens. I might as well put both prices up and we'll see how we go. Of course, I've got the acerbis 20 litre tank. I think they're made in Italy. They're quite expensive. This is off my last DR, so I haven't paid for this one, but I did buy it because I didn't get a free one. A lot of people get free fuel tanks with their bike. What else have we got? I'll probably get some lowering brackets for the foot pegs. So let's add that on too. B&B fender eliminator kit. Love it, looks awesome. I did have to modify it if you've seen my build series. Right there, had to cut that out because the weld sticks out a little bit there, so it wouldn't sit flat. So I just ran out of memory, but that was the fender eliminator kit. Hopefully you got that. I won't add shipping costs to this because it's going to vary too much from person to person. And if I've forgotten anything on the bike, I'll make sure I add it. Just thought I'd let you guys know, see what you're in for if you've got a DR and you're thinking about upgrading. This should be a good video to start from, just to get the idea of what it's going to cost you. It definitely isn't cheap. It's not cheap for me anyway. But keep updated for the next build episode, guys. I can't do it yet, obviously. I've got to get the racks, stuff like that, and I can't even get them now because of this coronavirus thing. So we'll have to wait that out, then we can continue. That's why I'm uploading this, just to get a kind of idea of where I am, what I'm up to, things like that. But thanks for watching, guys. Hope you're having fun with your bikes in the garage. Until next time, I'll catch you later. Cheers.